My name is Ryan Clark. I'm the executive chef at Casino del Sol in Tucson, Arizona. I'm a Tucson native, born and raised here. Absolutely love the local community. Worked here for about 15 years in the restaurant industry. Graduated from the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York, and just love what I do.
My name is Dean Fish, and I ranch here in southern Arizona near Nogales on the U.S.-Mexico border. Beef Quality Assurance. It's a program ensuring that beef producers do the right thing, and by the right thing is taking care of the health and welfare of their livestock and being part of producing a safe, wholesome beef product.
Our signature dish is a dry-aged bone-in ribeye, and there's a reason it's one of our top sellers. We lightly rub local whiskey and then let it dry-age for 35 days. The intensity of the dry-age concentrates the flavor, makes the beef taste more flavorful, more tender, and more luxurious. The bone-in steak is cooked over cast iron heat, which creates a deep and even caramelized exterior. We finish the dish by basting the steak with an aromatic butter. The overused term farm to table is making a transition to chef to farm or chef to ranch. I think it's important that chefs visit the makers that they work with and see all the hard work firsthand. And my favorite part about touring the ranch was seeing the relationship that Dean has with the livestock. You can tell his passion and the care he has for the cattle go above and beyond. It's quite an amazing experience to see all the hard work on the ranch that brings beef to our tables at home and into our restaurants.
Being a farmer rancher means that we have a responsibility to properly care for the livestock and the natural resources that we raise those livestock on.
A chef to me it's a responsible position. You know, you're cooking for the public, and a lot of chefs don't think about nutrition, but we want to make sure that we're really fueling our bodies. Beef, it's what's for dinner.